Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. For the nail look we're trying today, I wanted length, so I grabbed these nail tips that came in a gel wax set I bought a long time ago. I'm gonna pick the sizes out for my nails, making sure they fit well. Now that I have my sizes, I'll put them on a nail stand for easy designing. Before I begin the art, I'll file the edge of the tips to remove that little piece that sticks out on the edge. I'll follow that with a quick buff on top of the nail. And now we're ready for the art. I didn't have a complete design in mind just yet, so I'll choose a color now. Okay, now that I've got my colors, let's paint. I chose to use nail stickers in this design because there are some cute flowers and leaves. For the light purple nails, I chose this flower crown to put on top. As you're seeing, the sticker isn't sticking, y'all. I don't know. So I used a soft silicone tool and tried to press it on. Still nothing. Let's remove it. Maybe no wipe top coat will help. Let's try again. Bestie, I am fighting with this thing trying to get it to stick, but it isn't. So let's try again. I'll remove it one more time. Y'all. Okay, I'll wipe the top coat then. And for the last time, hopefully, let's try again. Finally. Now, let's decorate the other nails. I chose a few leaves and added some flowers. Okay, on to the next. I feel like it looks boring, so let's add dots. I don't know, girl. This design is going left. Let's top coat. Let's see if rhinestones can save the design. Do we like it? Well, I'm over it. In the lamp you go. Here they are, completely cured. Let's try them on and see how they look. So what are we thinking, bestie? Is it a look? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time.